Okay. What did I do? Right. Wrong stream. Okay, perfect. So I believe now we should be good to go with the looks of it. No, we should be good to go. Team, perfect. Comment if you guys can hear me, if you can see me, all those things. Let me fix up this. Delete these. Okay, perfect, clear, sir. Okay, let's go team. I'm sorry about this, guys. I'm honestly trying to just manage and do everything here. Look at trades, and at the same time be able to just make sure that the screen is showing perfectly and you guys can see everything clearly. So obviously it's not easy, but we are getting used to it, because ultimately in everything it takes time, right? For things to work out, you have to just give it time. So that's what we're doing here. That's the exact same thing that we are doing here. So yeah, let's just go for it. I think the old stream is still running. Members here. Okay. I think my old stream exiting. My old stream is still running. Yes. Let me delete it. This one here, delete it. No, stop it. No. Yo guys, with gold it's looking, I won't lie, it's looking interesting. It does look interesting. It's just a matter of execution, you know. So yeah, go end it. Okay, let's go team. Dismiss. Okay, perfect. Right now, here we are. Okay, I think we're onto something. We are onto something, team. We are onto something. Okay, let's go. Perfect. Okay, so look, bro. I've got here the dollar index. Let me open up the dollar index just so I know what I'm looking for before massive stuff. I don't want to really confuse or complicate things right here. Eh? Just want to make sure that I'm on the right track. Yes. Okay, so what I have here is, with the looks of it, just by looking at it, I can simply see the dollar index. Remember yesterday when we spoke about it? This is on the 4 hour. Where was it yesterday? Monday. It was still here. Oh, it didn't really move much because yesterday it was still here. I drew it being here, and I was like, it has to go up, close this gap, and then go back, continue going down. And you can see what happened here. Price did actually push slightly upwards. Okay. Price actually did a push slightly upwards, but then it got to a point where now it was like we just had to see on how we're going to take advantage of it, right? Because here I can simply see that yes, price did push upwards, but I still wanted to close that gap so it can start shooting downwards. So we'll have to see, but I'm also not happy with this. It didn't really close below, because you can see here with this, it didn't close below. It more like rejected. So it's not really the best, but anyway, this actually did, I feel like, no, it didn't close yet. It has to come at least upwards somewhere here. But yeah, I'm still seeing that dollar index is coming well. So now here I am on, I'm going to quickly go to gold. So with gold now, it done exactly what we spoke in terms of closing this gap, taking those sellers here and closing this gap. And yeah, with the way it is right now, there's either two ways. It's either price is just going to push upwards, new highs, or we'll see play around here. So that's just what we're going to have to do, like see, like work with it, like, obviously give it some time, analyze it more, analyze it better, analyze it proper, and just be able to hopefully try to take massive advantage of it, right? Good afternoon. I hope that you will. So yes, just by looking at this gold, I'm gonna come straight to the 5 minutes without wasting any more time. Just wanna see what it's saying. So with the looks of it, truly speaking, with what I saw, price, I was looking for it to come here, and it did come here. We did come here. Let me see at the bottom here. We tested these, and I'm thinking that, let me just see for what the news are saying for today. Ne? Let's see what the news are saying for today. Today is Tuesday, nothing much, 4 p.m. consumer confidence. So there's really nothing much going on today with the news. You can see here, nothing much really going on. So what I'm just gonna do now is I'm gonna, at least I can see, I understand what is going on, all these things. You can see this spot here, but not massive moves happening. So tomorrow is where we're gonna be seeing, let's see, nothing much on USD. Let's see, Thursday, USD, yeah, we are gonna be seeing some movements here on USD. On Thursday, it's gonna be this GDP prelim and the PPI. Is it a PPI? PPI. And then and then Friday we would be seeing nothing much on the USD. Okay, so it's only Thursday where USD is gonna be giving us more volatility. It's okay. Let's just see. So right now, what I'm seeing here on gold is, truly speaking, it's more of a risky trade, but I'm honestly feeling like I could go in on it. Sorry. What I'm seeing is we had this push downwards, guys. Remember, I want you guys to be aware that this is 100% not financial advice. This is just how I see the markets, how I trade, which means that it's just what I'm doing, man. Like, you shouldn't be copying my trades. You shouldn't be trying to enter when I'm entering and all that. Rather learn from me, right? So this is not financial advice. It's only me just being able to just spot the markets and trade. So here you can see our prices moving lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, and so on. But look here what happened. This was a previous lower high. Price tried going up to break it. It failed. It went down, trapped other people on the wrong side, and then it shot back up massively, and it basically took out, if there were like sell stops and all those things, buy stops, sell stop losses and stuff, it took them out here. Then now we're seeing prices like it's trying to treat this previous area that was support, that was resistance here. It's like it's treating it now as support. So initially the first move happened for me, which I am happy, which is this change of this area right here. Price happened to have broken above, which means that now I'm seeing that price is more likely to Let me just say worst case scenario is more likely to at least come here. This is like more of like at least come here, right? So now there's two ways to it. Either once it gets there, I sell, or once it goes to the bottom, I buy, right? Like let's say for instance, once it gets here at the bottom, I could either buy it, or once it gets here at the top, I could sell it. And I won't lie, man, sell yesterday, it played out well. So sometimes how I know that I'm on the right side or the wrong side of the markets is you give the markets like opportunities. Like let's say here we took a sell, it played out well. So if I take a buy and it doesn't like play out well, already I should understand that the market is just trying to tell me that maybe it's not ready for that buy. It's nothing major, it's just it telling me that it's not ready for the buy. So with the buy, I'm seeing something more like this here. Stop losses just below here, and let me see, 1 is 2. This wouldn't really give me a nice, okay. Let me go to 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, high, low, price broke above. So 1 minute, do you think that it would come all the way down to here? It would be nice to watch. I'm thinking of going 50% of this area, maybe somewhere around here, which it might not activate me if it's very aggressive. It might not. And the reason I want to go 50% on this, it's because of the fact that I don't like how, like if I enter here, I don't like the risk to reward, right? It's not too good. But if I enter here halfway down, I can play around with the risk to reward. Look at it now. 1 is to 2, let's see. You see now, I managed to have made it like 1 is to 2. In fact, this would be my 1 is to 2 right here. Right here. This would be my 1 is to 2. But if I enter here, my stop loss would have to be below here. Like look, my 1 is to 2 is going to have to be like somewhere above here, you know. So that would be slightly tricky for me. So I'm just going to see it like this. And obviously we've got these areas here as highs. We are hoping for price obviously to break above here and continue going up. That is why I'm seeing the structure be bullish. But if that doesn't, still we can optimize it, right? Okay, let me leave this on. So I think this is what I'm looking for right now. Since the market is still cool, let me look at Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq, yes, yesterday we see this big drop that happened here, went all the way down, closed all the gaps that we saw, that we spoke of. Let me see, we had a gap. What was that gap? Oh no, it still didn't. That gap was here, this big one. So I think Nasdaq is gonna fall. Let me see, because this is the gap right here, this one here. So it didn't really close it fully. Let me see. Oh, okay. There we go. So now, since it didn't really close it fully, there could be more tries for you to re-come back, right? Yeah. Let me leave this. Let me put this out. This one here was here. There could be more tries for you to come back, but let me just work with the technicals just so I can see proper stuff and not really just guess things out. So already I can see we had these areas, high, higher low, higher high, like lower high, and then we broke lows. So this area right here, this is where price could potentially start shooting downwards. Let me just see, this has been tested. So yeah, where we are right now, truly speaking, I think price could be pushing downwards on Nasdaq. And why I'm seeing this, this is also supported, like let's say for instance something more like this, boom, like a stop loss slightly. This would be, it's not too nice. I would something like this would be much better. Okay, something more like this. Yeah, 1 is to 2 at least. Okay, let me just see how this one here. I think I'm gonna execute this one here on the futures account remember yesterday I tried to execute, it didn't work out. I noticed what my problem is. But today I actually sent solid market. Today I actually joined like what is it?
Rejected.
Oh, why is it rejected now? Close. Wow. But I actually signed up for like a thing, an arena type of a thing. So I'm basically play around with the features on. Okay, it says it starts in 8 minutes. Okay, no problem. That's why it's rejected. So I was like, you know what? Let me just enter this thing here so that I can be able to just spot how it goes. And yesterday, obviously, I was trading with my account on the futures, but a lot of terrible things happened. Like I didn't place trades, I missed out on trades and all that. So I sat down, I looked at everything, what I done, how I done it, and all that, and then I realized my mistakes. You understand? So obviously now it was a matter of how can I, best make use of it. How can I best take advantage of it? And yeah, I got my mistakes. I realized that what I was looking for yesterday, which is this buy thing, I could have just automatically come. Where is it? Is it just settings, and then put on trade mode. So this was off. That's why I was like, that thing was here. It was here, but I just didn't know how to access it. Only to spot that, no man, all I have to do is just come here. This is all I had to do. Imagine yesterday I missed out a very big trade because of that. So because I noticed that I made a silly mistake like that, today I don't want to like get on and trade that account of mine, because I feel like I'm going to make mistakes. Like let's say because of like how I'm going to enter the markets and all that. So I just decided that I'm going to take it easy, and I'll be basically like, trading this competition challenge, which obviously I didn't get it for any cash. So I want to see what gold is actually doing. So this one here, I just want to see how this candle is going to close. I'd like to see how this candle is going to close, okay? Because either it's going to respect these areas right here and then shoot back down, but I'll just have to see. And one thing that I like about this is it's more likely to come all the way down to here. It's more likely to come here. So let's just see in the next, this candle. Okay, this is how it's closing. Okay, not really the best. I think I'll have to wait for 5 minutes. It's gonna close with the, let me see something. 1 minute. Okay, because right now what I'm seeing is we are at this first touch, second touch. It's more like double top position. So yeah, let's go for it. Let's just see. Let me look at gold. So gold, I actually want to take advantage of some buys here at the bottom. I won't lie, once it gets here, I wouldn't really sell. I don't think that I'm going to sell here, even though there is chances of it coming down. But I'm not going to sell, because on the 1 hour, 4 hour, this where we are right now is like a massive support, which means the price is now pushing to go upwards. So if I sell here, what could happen is price could break above here, because remember, it created a break of structure here. I mean, a change of character here, and here it created a break of structure right here, you see? So it's now going upwards. So if I'm going to sell this thing here, it's like I'm trying to catch a retracement on which it's not easy, right? But at the same time, I still believe that it could come here, because it has to come to activate. So what could happen is it could either just go up to show commitment, like go up, break above, and then maybe come down, you see, come down to activate and then go up. So if I sell here, I might take stop loss and then trade eventually goes in, like let's say that sell that I saw, and then this buy, maybe it happens around Asian session or within the next few hours, and then I miss out on it because I was focused on this setup that I was not looking for. And this one here, it's tricky at the same time because this setup here, the reason it's tricky is because it also looks good, right? So sometimes some setups that look good, it's either you take it or you don't take it, no back and forth. But this one here looks good because look at it. If I can just put this here, you can already see that we have here being our first touch, second touch. So obviously right here we're looking for more like a third touch, right? So if you do happen to get a third touch and price goes down, that would be good. That would be good. Let me see. I think looking at it with this eye, I might take a sell. Haha. I feel like, let's see, so what is a better what is it, range? This one here 2000 pips, this one here 1.9. So for this one to make 2% is going to require 1.9 thousand pips, and this one is going to require 2000. So okay, let me just wait a bit. Okay, and Nasdaq becoming well, but let me see here because I can't execute a trade now. They said I must wait 2 minutes, but yeah, it's okay. So no, let's go Nasdaq. It's falling just like yesterday. You guys remember yesterday when I caught it, it started off falling massively. So this is what I love seeing, like price breaking below here. You see here? Yeah, this is clean. Yeah. Nice one. Like yeah, close below, and once close below, then I would say that even obviously sometimes guys, when a trade confirms, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna go all in. If this when a trade confirms, all I have to do is honestly like what is it, like maybe scale in or whatever, because now it has nicely confirmed, but it doesn't mean this trade is 100% gonna hit, like go to the target. It can still go against me, you understand? So I still have to have that open. That's why things like stop losses, they play a part. But with this one here, because of I see this huge impulse candle here and it closed below, which means that it's either going to continue just going downwards, hit depending on how the sellers are, the momentum. But if they're not that strong, we might see it not that strong. I mean, if it wants to retrace before it gives us this big push, then we might see it coming back up somewhere here and then going back down, just like you saw yesterday. It didn't come back up, it just started shooting downwards. So these moves happen. So with this one here, okay, where is the next candle? Yes, you see, just like this. But I don't like how this one here, but I can already see this is moving clean. What time is it now? It's 12:30. Okay, the market just opened now, so it's not really like it's not like it's news or anything like that. Okay, let's do this team. Okay, now shooting. Yeah, so luckily that push, as soon as it pushed upwards, for me I was like, it's better for me to just enter with that push upwards. So yeah, market opened and now this is what's going on. Okay, let's see, bro. Let's just see how this thing goes. Let's just see how this thing goes. So obviously once this thing is in, I'd have to also see like, how do I manage the position? How do I try to make the most out of it? And why is it moving like this though? Okay, this one, I like this one here, this candle here. You see it closed down, like with closed below. So this one here is a confirmation, truly speaking. And already here, yes, this one closed, it shot up to retest, and then now it's going down. So truly speaking, these are those trades that I would take anytime, even if this trade goes against me and hits my stop loss. I wouldn't mind taking it the next time I see such a trade, because it has all the it has ticked all the boxes, right? Is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so while this one is running, let's just take a look at gold. Okay guys, I want you guys to always remember that what we're doing here is, there's nothing like, it's not signals, it's not financial advice or anything like that. So I just want you guys to, if you execute trades on your side, that's you. Like, if you win, it's your win. If you lose, it's your lose. So basically what I'm saying is that you just have to be responsible of your own trading account, right? So let's see, it's playing. I don't really know what's why gold is doing. Okay, obviously market open, but 4 p.m. it's gonna be in the next few minutes, this one here. Because I was like, why is Nasdaq doing this, bro? And gold, what are you doing? Let me see. Gold. Okay, let me see this one here. Oh, at least I can trade now. The competition is live, but it all makes sense to sell this thing here, right? Like on the feed, it wouldn't make sense for me to sell it here. Because like, they literally just open doors now. And one thing about this competition is, it is what is it? It's 8 hours long. After 8 hours done, whoever made profits is them. Understand? So there's no real opportunity for like, you can't really take it easy and all that. Like, basically they are just forcing you to gamble and force trades out. But anyway, it's a competition. Like, they just want to see who's gonna make the most money. There's nothing to do with because you're not trading your actual money. It's not real funds or that competition. Yes, Nasdaq, bro. Oh, bro, Nasdaq is moving. Ooh, so now obviously it's management. How do we manage this baby? This beautiful baby of ours. Okay, I honestly, nice one, Nasdaq. Nice one, team. Ooh, bro. Yo, it's going crazy, bro. I want, like, damn, it's moving like bro. This thing is going crazy, bro. I don't know if you guys see this, bro. On this one account, I just want to lock in maximum profits. I won't lie, bro, like max, because it's going crazy, and I'm running like already $800. Oh, okay. Saying invalid stop loss. Why? Okay, let me leave it here, bro. I'm already like, look at this account. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at this account here. Like, okay, you can't really see, but it's a profit account. It's already on $800 with Nasdaq. Imagine, bro. Ooh. Yo, bro, Nasdaq is going crazy. How does this happen, bro? Damn, bro, like, wow. Wow, bro. Wow. Wow. Guys, TP, $1,000. Let me take this $1,000, an account, $1,000. I closed it here on this Profim account. So on this, wow. Okay, let me just fully go. I'm gonna now, I closed that other one, so now I'm just gonna lock in maximum here on this account. Damn, bro. Wow. Nasdaq, why is it like it's making me fall in love with it? Okay, let me, then this one here I got perfect. Whew. Bro, like, what just happened with Nasdaq, bro? Okay, the spread is now going crazy. Okay, no, it's not Nasdaq, sorry. It's not Nasdaq. Damn, bro, like, that's just like we just got started with the live session. Why does this thing have to go straight to take profit, bro? Like we literally just got started, bro. Damn, bro. Damn. Oof. Yeah, bro. But let me see now gold. Yo, guys, did you see that Nasdaq sell, bro? That was clean. Like I'm already out from all my accounts. Like you can even see in the Telegram group. Let me send it real quick, like to show you where I actually exited. Perfect. You can see in the Telegram group, I just shared it there. Like I literally entered there, and then once it got like literally at the bottom, we're able to exit. Like that's just how management works. And this is done like literally on a stream, bro. So obviously, like what I'm trying to say is it's not all days where market's gonna move like this, but I'm just glad that this is being documented down, because not all time market is gonna move like this here, whereby you enter and then it goes straight to take profit. There will be times whereby stop loss is gonna hit too quick or things like that. But this was a beautiful one, obviously. So now we back up at gold. So gold I'd have to obviously see and manage. But yes, bro. Yes, bro. So what do you guys say about Nasdaq, bro? What do you guys say? Let me see those comments, bro. Let me see those comments. Let's see those comments. Let's see those comments. What do you guys say about this nice Nasdaq setup here? This nice, beautiful Nasdaq setup. What do you guys say? Let me see those comments. Bring them up, bring them up, bring them up. Bring those comments up, team. Bring those comments up. Let's see. Throw in some fires. Whatever, bro. Whatever. Like, you guys saw it, like, before when it got there, what I was saying before it got there, even after execution, bro. It's fire. Nice one. Throw, bro. Throw those comments. Throw those comments. Let's see, bro. Let's see. So, but like how I'm saying, guys, I want you guys to also remember that it's not always that the market moves like this here, whereby you enter and then it goes straight to take profit. This went straight to take profit, 1:2. I literally took 1:2. But it's not always like this where price goes and hits take profit. So that's why I want when days it doesn't, you don't really feel sad or you feel like the market is against you. No, this is just the markets, bro. Nice one, team. Nice one. I just cut this beautiful Nasdaq live on the session. So yeah, man, let's go team. Let's go team. So actually the reasons here that they are naughty, because I was like gonna execute obviously here and now be in massive profits and all that, but I had to wait. So it's okay with them. I'll just see on this one here, because I executed on my normal accounts, like my normal accounts, Profirm and all that. Sorry. Okay, so let me just lay low from Nasdaq for now. Let me look at gold. So I saw one member is asking me, nice one, bro. Yo, bro, it's clean. Like, yeah, it's clean, bro. Nice one. $435. Yeah, bro, we just caught it live. It's a stream that's ongoing. Oh, I forgot. I'm on the wrong trade. Nice one, yeah, bro. It's just fire. Second day of the live stream. Second trade once more. Nasdaq straight to take profit. You can see, literally straight to take profit. And on our end, obviously, you can see, yeah. Nice one. Executed here. Went out here. So yeah, man. Let's go. So yeah, man. This one I'm already out. Like, sure, this was a beautiful trade once again. I think Nasdaq. I was sleeping on it. Okay. Let's see this one here. See this one here. It's tricky because for me, like I did say, it would be nice to sell, right? It would be nice to sell. This one here. It would be nice to sell. But let me wait. Nice one, US 30. Nice move, bro. Clean, bro. or you're able to benefit on US30. Let's see US30. But US30, truly speaking, moves more like Nasdaq. So yeah, I'm sure it did sell massively. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. That's amazing. Okay, I think I have some support areas here. We drew them when yesterday. This was what, 15 minutes. Let's see. I think this was drawn yesterday when we were looking at it. What time frame did I draw this on? No, this is not 15 minutes. It should be 16 minutes. Let me see. No. 60. Oh yes, I was saying this is support. It's either, oh yes, I was here on the US30 yesterday. I was basically just showing that two ways to it, right? Either price is gonna come test here and then go back up, or break below. Like let's say come test here, and then go back up, or come below till here and then go back up. So right now I think it's doing this because it tried to close this gap, but it didn't really close it. So I still feel like it's gonna go down. I still feel like it will go down. It will go down because look at it. It didn't really close it. There's still some space left, right? So yeah, US30. It's moving more like similar to Nasdaq, truly speaking, because I feel like Nasdaq is the exact same thing. Now it's back up. You can see it's back up. So if, like, let's say you don't take profit, you wanna hold and all that, like now you would have given back. Like on my profit account, I was running like $1,000. Imagine if I didn't close. And look at, like, let's be honest, bro. Look at here. The honest truth is, it got close to take profit, but I closed it because, like, this was already 2%. I mean, like, look here, this is 2.09, which means when it's here, it is already 2%. You get it? So now, if I held it and I was like, no, I wanted to close itself, on which this is, I was speaking to one of my other friends as well that trades heavily. I even asked him, not the one that I spoke about yesterday. I have two friends that trade and they are not on, they don't have social media, right? The other one lives in Cape Town and the other one lives here. I met him here. So the one that I met here, obviously I told you guys the story yesterday, and I was like, maybe I should do an interview with him so he has 7 years experience. But I have another friend as well that has been trading for sometimes more like same time as me, 10 years, but he's doing it differently. So now he's only trading prop firms. We speak almost every day. She was showing me results here and everything. So I think I should bring, but he told me something because I was like, hey bro, with the futures, like, and I had some problems and I filled some accounts, and he was like, then I explained to him how I took my trades and everything. So he's like, oh no man, try to approach it different. Like, just try to don't do like how, like, let's say 1:2 risk to reward and then wait for it to get to take profit. Like, rather sit on the computer. When it gets close to take profit, manage it, lock in profits, do whatever. Like, as long as you are above 1%, don't, even if it goes back and hits you break even. Because I told him that most of my trades would go beyond 1%, but they would go back and find out that they hit me stop loss because I didn't adjust it or whatever. So yeah, that's what we spoke about, and it was a nice, fruitful conversation. I would just love to see what's going to happen with this one here. It's tricky because it might still go down, but I don't like how it went up, but it might still go down. So, but yeah, man, I'm just happy with how it played out. I honestly don't think that I might really get an opportunity, or what do you guys say? Should I just, because this is a competition, by the way, it's a competition, and the competition here is whoever makes the most amount of money gets to take home $5,000, I think. What do you guys say about, do you think I should just enter this like massively? Like sell it, sell. What do you guys say? I'm trading the competition with you guys. What do you guys say? I don't like how it went up here, bro. And if you look at it, this is like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You see? So it's more like prices now going upwards. So yeah, it's tricky. But I feel like I want to go all in with this account. Maybe I'll take gold. I'll take a gold sell on this account. So let me search for what is it? MQC June data. You like previous setting? Yes. I don't want to change anything, bro. Remember my choice, moving forward forever. Yes. Okay. Where is it? Okay, no, it's still not yet there. I would like for it to push a bit more upwards. I don't know, because I wouldn't want to mess up the other accounts that I'm already up on profits with, like by maybe taking an early impulse trade on this gold. But I think since here I'm on a competition, and that competition ends in the next 8 hours. Here you can see it's only up for 8 hours. I'm just going to take any trade, but obviously trades that I would like, normal, nice, good trades. But truly speaking, me, this gold sell, maybe if I didn't take that Nasdaq, I was going to take it, right? If I didn't take Nasdaq sell, I was going to take this gold sell. But because I already took that Nasdaq sell, this gold sell is not the best high quality setup. So I wouldn't really like give back the profits that I already made on a setup that's not high quality. I'd rather give back profits that I made on a setup that was high quality. You get what I'm trying to say here? Here, if I take it, it'll just be like I'm trying to make a lot of money in one single day, and it's not how I'm trading. But on this challenge account, I don't mind doing that, because this challenge account is only valid for 8 hours. You get it? And it's only 8 hours. After 8 hours, it's shut. It's closed. So this one, I don't mind, because anyways, I didn't buy it. It's free. Like, anyone can sign up to it and all that. But yeah, so that's why I say I don't like. It's not really a major thing. So what thing is? Let me close since I saw. But yeah, let's just wait and see Nasdaq getting here. So you're risking? Yes, I was basically, so I've got a this account that I took this trade on. It's a 50K account, and yes, I did risk $500, which is 1%. So yeah. Cool. And I'm happy I exited where I did, bro, because like literally after I exited, it shot massively upwards. Massively, not even a bit, like massively. So let's see. Let us see. So gold, remember, I'm opening up my mind towards two different scenarios. It's either this, and then it will go up, or first we'll do this, and then whatever, like continue going up, whatever the case is. Or yeah, those are two. Or like obviously maybe if it goes down, it like breaks below, like three scenario. So that's why the reason I like doing these scenarios is because it also shows me how to best, like, take advantage of this, like, I don't know, like it shows me I'm able to leave up room. Like if I believe this one setup is gonna work, it means that I'm just gonna enter, and if it's not working out, I'm gonna try force it and all that. And if it's working out, I'll maybe try to hold on and forget that maybe once it gets, it might go up. So you see, that's why you have to open up room. Like this is the market. You just have to leave room for error, right? Like with this one here. The reason I also saw that, because I was actually looking at it break below here. I honestly, I believed that it would go and break below here. But also I saw this area here. You see this area? I saw it and I was like, price can respect this, like test it and then continue going upwards. It can happen. But this one here, I think it might sell where it is. But it's just that it moved upwards massively, because if it didn't move up like this, I would take another sell on it. Maybe I should take it on my futures account, right? But because it moved up, yeah, and you see where it is, it's respecting this top. You see this area here, it's respecting this. Yeah. It's respecting this. So let's see. 4 more minutes. Let me see 1 minute candle. No. I thought this was the first 1 minute candle that's selling. Because I think this would as well be a good sell. It took out, a lot of people had stop losses here, obviously. It took all those stop losses out. So it might still want to go down. Obviously, I don't like how it went up. It's not clean, but let's see, what is this? This is gold. What is this? This is NQ. Okay, let me take. Okay, wait. Don't show this again, bro. Why are you asking me such questions?
Order rejected.
Why? So NQ. Why?
Order rejected.
NQ. Why are you rejecting, bro? Maybe I must go to the NQ mini. Am I on the mini? Yeah, but I am on the mini. This is the mini, bro. Why is this?
Order rejected.
I have no idea why this thing is rejecting today. Okay, let me wait and see. Maybe it's saving me from something I shouldn't be doing. Perfect, it's okay. Let's see. No, but you're supposed to go up. You come here, please. Don't. Okay, but you see, if this thing here pushes downwards, like slightly downwards, I wouldn't mind taking it here at the lows here. Here at the lows, I wouldn't mind taking it. I honestly can call it a day on my side. Like I can just shut everything down and say it's a day, because that Nasdaq trade, it boosted me, so I can call it a day, truly speaking. So you see what gold is doing. Gold is okay. Okay, so gold, I'm gonna okay, let's see. That sell didn't really work out, and it was gonna work out well. You see, if it pushed out up a bit, but now there's two scenarios that could happen right now. It's either price is gonna obviously respect these lows, and then with my entry, it might touch this area like here, and then go up, right? This can still happen, even though I have like my entry here. It might not get to me, depending on how the market is. But if obviously it goes below and it takes me out, then it wouldn't be nice, because on the bigger time frame I'm seeing like bullish, like buys. So it means that obviously I just have to stay away for now up until something, I don't know, like I wouldn't have to, like I'll just take a normal stop loss and take it easy. So I wouldn't try to force something to work. I'll just understand that my setup didn't work, nothing much. So yeah, man, I'm just opening up room for error so that I don't go all in, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go, bro. Yeah, this one, this push, this impulse 1 minute candle, I don't like how it came up. Yeah, it's not good. It shouldn't move like this. Yeah. So, and it actually might push down from here. I don't know why this thing here doesn't want me to execute. I solved the problem of yesterday.
Order rejected.
Why are you rejecting my order? So stop.
Order rejected.
Or is it because I'm trading a June contract? Oh, let's see. But there's no May one. June, March, December, June. No, there's no May. September. Why isn't there any? Okay, let me see if I execute a trade on this is if it's gonna work. I'm just testing. Let me see.
Order filled.
Oh, it happened. Okay. Oh, let's go. $6, $5, $6. Let me close it.
Order filled.
Nice one. I'm up by $4 for the day. I'm $4 richer than I was a few seconds ago. So yeah, man, we're just growing rich every second, bro. That's just how it is. Okay, so I don't know why the NQ is not working out. Maybe I should just trade gold because this one here is not working out. It doesn't want to activate. I'll have to sit and see. Yesterday I had to sit and see what I done wrong. Today I'm sitting and seeing this. So, okay. This one here, the way it's going down, I don't want it to shoot down massively. It must go down nicely, nice and easy, not hard, bro. Nice and easy. Yeah, bro. Nes retraced insane, bro. Like the way it retraced, it's not possible. Unbelievable. These are trades that we say these are like unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is monumental success. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Okay, but I think Nasdaq, I should just add it on like my trades even for CFD purposes. Okay. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, I can see already we closed this gap. You see yesterday we were speaking about this gap. We had already closed it, which is good, which is phenomenal. Phenomenal. This is beautiful. So we played around here after we closed it. We failed to close it, that's why it pushed upwards and then it came back down to close it up, and then now we went back up. So it's more like what I said with the, what is it, not Nasdaq, US 30, when one of my brother asked me about US 30, and we saw that it went down, but it didn't really close that gap. So that's why there's a chance that it might still go down to close up that gap fully, just like what gold, you see, oh, perfect, here. It actually went down to close it. Yeah, now we closed it. Now we closed that gap. Remember we spoke about this like literally a few minutes ago. So now we closed it. Remember I was like, wait, retrace first. It didn't close that gap, and now it did. So now this could either, remember, this could either now push up, or this could either come here for a push up. But we already did close that gap, so it's now all dependent on what price is saying. Let me see. So let me focus on this one here, this one here. Okay. No, it didn't really get. Don't go up from here, gold. I don't want you to go up from here. This is not where I want to enter you. Please just go slightly more down, bro. So with gold, one thing that I wouldn't like is if it, because with what I'm seeing, it might not go to where I'd want to get it like at the cheapest price. Like, because this is where normally this is where I should enter, like normal straight, like this is how normally I enter. But I just don't like, obviously, the fact that we didn't already break above here, but also this huge candle, this is a huge candle, which makes my stop loss more bigger. So I'd rather take 50% of that candle compared to take the same trade and then, so the only disadvantage is that I might not be activated. That's the only difference. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. I hope you guys are, obviously, if you find in value, just make sure that you like this video, guys. Like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Check out the links that is below here. We do have like access to the Telegram group if you're not in there. So yes, man, do that. And as well, we do have the 3-step gold trading system, which is the exact methodology, like the way that the logic that I see the markets, how I see the markets, my mindset behind the markets. That's how I created the ebook. So if you guys want access to it, the link is below this video. Hopefully, I believe so. But just check it out. It's like, what, 50 pages long? And yeah, man, I just created it because I realized that, like, you know, there's value. There's things that can go around, you know, I don't know. Because that one there, it's like the ebook is more specific. It's not like a book about trading. Yes, it focuses strictly on trading gold, but it's a very specific systematic book, you know. So like checklists, like what you need, like how to best, like, you know, master this like within like a few pages. So yeah, man. Let's go, team. Let's go. Gold. It's only you now. Let me see what Nasdaq is doing. Oh yeah, we have cracked above here. So you see if someone sold here and then it goes against them, and because they don't want to take a loss because they were holding profits, and then they'll hold onto it, and then because they held onto it, stop loss, maybe they don't even put a stop loss because they're like, no, but this thing has to play out, and then boom, out. So sometimes, man, we can take the same trade, but due to management, we don't make the same, you know. So you saw how I managed it. You get it. You guys witnessed how I went about managing this Nasdaq trade. So yeah, I can already see that we took out the highs. So we might sell on Nasdaq right now. We might sell on Nasdaq. I just wouldn't take this. I wouldn't mind taking it on this account, this challenge account, but it's not. It doesn't want me to take it. I don't know what's wrong there.
Order rejected.
Yeah. Yes. Let me see. Yes. This is US 500, more similar to Nasdaq. I'm thinking of just, let me see.
Order rejected.
Oh, it still doesn't want now. Nah, I'd have to sit and see. It's okay, it's okay. I guess I'll miss out on the competition. If only I find a trade on gold, it's the only one that I can play with. But otherwise, I'll miss out on the competition. It's okay. I thought I'd make like $5,000 because if you win $5,000. But it's okay. It's okay. What can I say? Let's go, team. Let's go, team. I hope the team is doing well. Let me just, while I'm waiting for this gold trade, let me review my team members' analysis. Ask my team members to share some analysis. Guys, let's look at it. Hopefully you are here. Reviewing. Okay, so I just told my team that I'm now reviewing. Okay, so let me pull out like some charts. Guys, I'm exposing you. My team members, I'm exposing you. I'm exposing you. But anyways, guys, you know how it is in the streets. You know how it is, man. Let's do some criticizing. Okay, what do I have to press? Windows keep checking. Telegram, where are you? Perfect. Okay. So straight up, let's see. You're on YouTube link. Okay. Oh, we started. Okay. This was yesterday's trade. Okay, this was yesterday. I just done some positive criticizing on this day. So there's one trade that we looked at first yesterday. Which one was it? Or this one here. Oh, okay. This I done that thing yesterday. This was a good one. We spoke about it. Let me see. Yes, we looked at it. Perfect. This one here. The second one. This one here where I am. It's tricky. Let's see. Mali. Okay, Mali also sent this one here. Yeah. Okay, I showed him what I saw, and luckily it's moving according to his plan. This is his plan. This is how he saw it. So this is good. This is amazing. Love it. So, oh wow. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is gold. I didn't see this one here, Mali. Nice one. So with gold, you already like hitting take profit. Oh, this is from yesterday's trade, right? This is 1 minute, no, 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Let's see. Okay, Augustine, what did you share here with us? There is that I'm currently looking out for gold. Gold, okay, you're seeing it come. What time frame is this here? This is the 5 minute. You see it come here. Okay, so you are seeing this cell. I see what you're seeing. You're seeing the cell that I was seeing that didn't activate us. Okay, so it's okay. It's valid for you to see it. Yeah, and I can see here. You see here. I can see that you already had this. The cells they didn't activate you. It's more like what I was looking at. See me, I'm saying on the love. Sorry, forgive me, on the life. If you have a girlfriend, your girlfriend will be like, hey, why are you and your mentor talking about love, you know? I'm still watching the cell zone, which has now created an inducement. I might be wrong, but it ticks all the boxes. Yeah. I don't think you are wrong, truly speaking. And don't doubt your setup. That's a good one. I don't think that you're wrong. That's actually an amazing one. Like you're seeing a cell here, okay? And you see we obviously didn't get to it. So and you obviously looking for it to break below the lows, right? So which makes sense. Obviously you're going with the trend, you're going with this internal structure, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and obviously lower low. So this is what you're going, which is valid. I saw this as well. So but because of obviously me, I was looking at also 60-minute, like 4 hour and stuff. I automatically just opened up, like you see here. Already I was looking at, on which sometimes 1 hour, 4 hour, it might not play out, right? Because it's a bigger time frame. So left, right, and then this right shoulder, yeah. And then obviously this gap, we tested it. So I was looking at GS price coming here, but once it's here, price now going up, creating these highs above and so on which it might not, it might still come, maybe crack below here. But I don't see it like giving any, like another buy opportunity somewhere. If there was like maybe a clean order block, I don't know, fair value gap, I don't see any fair value gaps or order blocks. Everything has been tested. This one here, it has already been tested here. You get it? So that's why I don't really see sellers coming and taking control, because we don't really have any zone at the bottom that is trying to pull them in. But obviously if I go to a smaller time frame, like maybe 15 minutes, I might see like a clean order block, or maybe a clean what is it, fair value. Let's see. No, nothing. Yeah, this, yeah, you see here, this, the price might come here, yeah, like here, yeah, you see, this might still also be an opportunity, like this price might come here. So I didn't place any sell limit, any buy limit yet on this one here. So let me just find out that I put some limits to it, bro. Hey, wait a minute. Oh yes, I didn't. So looking at it, bro, because here we have these equal lows. Price might want to just liquidate these lows, bro. I wasn't paying attention to the 15 this one here, but now that I'm looking at it, it's making me want to take it easy with this buy. But also with this buy here, it's still giving me that validation, because I still see it coming up to like activate some sellers here. Like here at the top, I still see it coming to activate sellers here. But it might not do that. It might just shoot all the way down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to, I'm going to take this buy on this, but not now, when it gets at the bottom, like when it gets here at the 50. Yeah. I'm going to take the buy on this, what is it, on this challenge, this thing account. Sorry. Yeah, let me wait for it to push down a bit, because the only thing that's allowing me to enter. So that's all that I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna take it on other accounts. I think I'm just gonna let it like let's see, go once more. No. Okay, let me just see if I like how, like if I enter, it's showing me. Let me enter so I can, okay, let me enter once, and then if it goes back up, I'm gonna, yeah, okay, I enter once. If it goes back up, if it goes back down, I'm gonna enter again. Here, because I don't think stop loss is gonna be too big. And anyway, I don't even know what is, or how much I'm supposed to lose on these accounts, on this, like they never told me how much I should play with. So I don't even know what my risk should be on this specific account. But I wanted it to come down once more here, so I can buy it properly here, if it does. Did it place that buy limit? I don't know. Okay, but we'll have to wait and see. So you see with this one here, like it can shoot up from here. It can, but like I did say, man, let's go. No, I think once it gets here, I'm gonna enter. Guys, nothing that I'm doing here is financial advice or anything similar to that. It's more like wrestling, guys. You can watch wrestling, you can but you shouldn't try it at home. That's what they say. So I'm doing the exact same thing. If you don't have experience, or because this is not like, it is nice for me. I mean, I'm enjoying it. I enjoy trading. Even if I lose or even if I win, I enjoy it. But I just mean, like, other people, they don't enter with that mindset. So find out that now it's not becoming nice for you. You get it? So I don't want that to be. Okay. I don't know why it's not showing my. I'm gonna buy it once it's here. I think with this one, your total loss. Okay, but anyways, I don't even know how much I should lose on these accounts. But I'll just take stop loss, like when it goes below here. I'll just close it. If I don't know, because I don't know how much these accounts I should play with. Let me see the leaderboard. Who's already on the leaderboard? Hey, this guy is gone, bro. This guy already made $2,000. Yeah, no. Dios, I'm coming for you, bro. Me, I'm still crawling. This guy's already here. Okay, let's see if I can be number one on the leaderboard. Let's go. That gold was gonna put us number one, don't you guys think? Okay. Yeah, you see, it's doing that push. Actually, I wanted it to go a bit more down. I won't lie, bro. I just wanted it to go down as much as. Just a bit, not too much. Just a bit. Okay. Oh, I see, but how much in Nasdaq? Maybe it got 10 more Nasdaq. Okay, let's see. Let's see. My brother say I must try change the lot size on Nasdaq. Maybe it starts with 10. Let's see. Hey, but 10, bro. Won't it kill me? Let me see 5. So.
Order rejected.
Oh, okay, let's see 10.
Order rejected.
No, it's still rejected. I don't know. Ne? And it's rejecting one thing only, like that NQ. So it would say village. Kwenye go feta demand icho. Okay. Let's go. Let's go team, guys. If you're finding value, obviously like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, but like this video, like it. So YouTube can see that there's a lot of value being shared. Your members that are watching are liking. So yeah, man, it's gonna just help on the YouTube. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Okay, but it's moving this one. Yeah, you see that buy. Yeah, it's working out. This entry. Remember, I said this entry can with the 50% entry method. So let's see. Because with this one here as well, I wanted it like hopefully if it was shooting slightly down so that I can add more, go up, because I wanted to enter with the higher thing, but I just didn't want to hold like a negative throughout this process. So yeah. You see, we might, maybe one thing that I'm thinking is we might get you and then sell. So maybe when you get here, what I'll do is I'll just close this trade that I have here, this one here. And then, because it's either when you get here, we might, it's either once we get here, we might break above just to show that like obviously lower high, it has broken. So now it's a change, we are going down and then going back up. That could happen, right? But even if that doesn't happen now, we might respect this. We might respect this area and then go down. And then once more up, you get it. So there's differences to it, this one here. Let's go team, let's go team, let's go team. So I think it might do that push down here. So what I could do is I'm buying if I could put a sell below. If I put a sell stop, that means once spread gets there, it's gonna stop. Okay, you see here, once it gets here, let me just go out of this one here. Okay, how do I close it now? Okay, close.
Order filled.
Nice one. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait for it to come back down. Okay. Okay, I think I'm number one. Let's see. That guy's still gone, bro. And it's not even much, bro. Like 2.2. Yeah, but these guys are like, it's only like 1 hour in the competition. These guys are already making like more than 10%. Like, Now imagine if it's like 8 hours, because I'm not gonna sit and trade for 8 hours straight, So, yeah. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let me put my laptop on the charger, team. Give me a second. Let's go, gold. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing. Do your thing. Just do this, bro. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint. I trust you, bro. VJ. VJ. These guys go heavy risk. Yeah, these guys look like they might be going too much heavy risk, bro. Like, I feel like these are those types that go all in. Like, but it looks like he's holding one trade because you see it's running. So it looks like he's holding a trade. So I'm sure it's like maybe he just caught a sell on gold and he's like maybe caught the sell here and he's just holding. I know, but it was gonna be negative. It was now gonna be less than 2.2. So no, sorry. I don't know. Or maybe what could they be trading? Because if only this competition could show. Okay, but it can't because it's gonna be cheating, which means that I might copy what they're trading. But if it could show. Oh, here's the things. Products. MES, MNQ. I can only trade these. Me, I was trading NQ, but here it's MNQ. But didn't I search for that? Wait, let me see. Let me see it now. Oh, it's NQ. Let's see. Let's go. MNQ. MNQ. This is the one, bro. Yes. Oh, so me, but micro E-mini. Oh, me, I was on the E-mini, not the micro. Makes sense. Okay, so let's get back to the MGMNQ. Okay, so MGC, it's micro of gold features, and this MNQ is the micro E-mini Nasdaq. Okay, so let's go back to Nasdaq now that we're back on track. Okay, here's that gold. That gold here, I'm seeing it like, maybe play around here and then go down. So let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah, you see here. So it's either price is gonna break here or it's gonna like respect. Okay. Let's see. Okay, while I'm waiting for it, let me look at what Nasdaq is doing. Yo, bro. Yo, look at it. It went up. Like sometimes you wish if you knew if price was gonna go like this, because as soon as we took profit here, I was gonna like just buy. But you can't really know these things, right? But because it shot up massively, so I don't even know if like placing a trade on something that's like this would make sense for today. I mean, like for now, because if this thing is just going up and it don't make sense for me to sell something that's going up like this, and at the same time it don't make sense for me to buy it when it's so high. You can't buy something when it's very expensive, especially when we had the opportunity to buy it here when it was like slightly cheaper. And this would have made sense. In fact, if I looked at it on the 1 minute, I think because this we would have seen this nice beautiful for 1 minute. What is it? Not fair value, order block. Yeah, it's 1 minute. So maybe, yeah, this it makes sense for that push upwards. So luckily I managed to exit without even like spotting it, like throwing it out, because if I only saw it later, I was gonna be mad at myself, you know. But this one, yeah, like I did say, it's not gonna make sense for me to buy it here because it's too expensive. But selling it as well, I'll just be hoping for it to drop. You know, when you are looking at the price and saying, "Oh, this thing went way too high. Let me just sell it because it's too high." So I don't want to do that, you know, because that's gambling, and I'll just be doing that to entertain you guys, on which that's not my goal. I don't want to, like, I just want to, I'd like to show you what I seen, like what I actually do in the market and all that, instead of just for entertain. So you see this one here rejected. So let me try to take, let's see, let me see, let me go to, I know, let me go big lots, bro, because I'm thinking, because, okay, let me do this.
Order filled.
Let's see. Because I was like, bro, why can't I just go 20 lots? Because they don't even give these competitions, like what you have to lose. What did they write it here? Let me see. View more. Help me see, guys. Let's see. Okay, no, this is the products that we can trade. There's no stop loss. Nothing. No. What's this here? Gold. No, I think I'm gonna, once, if it closes above, I'm gonna go out. Okay, so gold had this big push, 1 minute, like push down. I feel like just adding more positions, but what do you guys say? Should I just go all in? Okay, not all in, but add another one, maybe.
Order rejected.
Oh, why? So how do those guys make big profits if I can enter with, let me see.
Order rejected.
Highball. Where am I? MG. How do those guys make big profits if me, I'm entering with big lots, it's going against, or what is the max lot? Maybe I didn't see it properly. Max position size is 3. On crude oil it's 2. Where's gold? I can't see gold. It's 2. Oh, they kept it. So I can only use 2 lots. Yo. So now my question is, how are these guys making this when all they're taking is one, what is it, like 2 lots and stuff? How are these guys making this? It doesn't make sense now. Nah, man, I feel like this competition is, it's tricked. Maybe those guys are working with them. What do you guys think? Don't you think those guys are working for the company? No, man, because how are those guys making like $2,000 when because it doesn't, I don't think, even if this thing drops, it's not gonna get to like if it comes here, bro, it's not gonna get to $2,000. It's like maybe gonna be like 700. So what did these guys have to catch in order of them to be okay? So yeah, we are respecting this area here. Yeah, and since we're respecting it, it's either we can obviously, yeah, we can test it here and then go back down, or we could go above. So if I'm just gonna let it run now. Let me see how much I'm running with here. Or minus 50, it's still safe. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like maybe take a negative more than $200 here on this trade. Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm just gonna let it run. Let me remove this because we're respecting this area here and we just tested on it. We might see price pushing downwards from here, right? For that sell here, you see this one here. So that means this buy is playing out well, this one here. On which me I was looking at this, but now where it is, I don't think that I would still even take this buy. This one here, I wouldn't take it. I just wouldn't. Let me see. You, hey, you. Yeah, so, bro, I see you like these guys, they're doing like a heavy risk, but yeah, I don't think they're doing heavy risk. With these lot sizes, I wonder what the risk would be like. Let me see. Oh, let me see. I forgot how much. I forgot to see how much I'm running this side here. 70cc. Yeah, it's not really much. Like 76. I don't think that I'm even gonna be involved in this. I don't think that it's gonna be realistic to make like $2,000 like trading with these lot sizes, like 2 lots, 3. Because look, bro, I saw this thing here. Like for me to get this to bro, imagine, like it's gonna take forever. Okay, let's see what it's doing here. Okay. Come now, my bro. Come now, my bro. Okay, let me see 5 minutes. What 5 minutes is saying. This was gonna be. I feel like this was just gonna be a nice buy if I just maybe took it here. What I would be doing now, I would be locking in profits somewhere here. Like if I executed this buy here, I would just lock in profits here, just here. You see? Sorry. Because it's either it's gonna come here, and then once we here, shoot back down or continue pushing. Remember, I'm seeing that buy. Overall, I'm seeing that bullish. Here for me to just take this short-term sell is because I'm trying to just scalp this thing here so I can be behind this guy here is making 2,000. But this guy is not, it's not giving me any realistic results now. So I think maybe this one here could, because already this one here was supposed to respect this. We're basically not supposed to be going above anything like right now. We're supposed to just go down from where we are. If we don't go down from where we are, that means that obviously we're coming here. We're coming here. You get it? So that's what I'm seeing. You see, if this thing would allow me, I was gonna enter more positions, like scaling type of a thing, but they don't. Let's see. Let's go, team. But are you guys good though? Are you guys good? Are you guys well? Is my team well? You guys are my team, you know. Is my team well? Whether you like it or not, you are my team. Today I just recruited you by force. God looks like it's gonna sell off nice from here, but like I did, it's also tricky because it's either could sell here, come down, or we could see that push back upwards. So where it is right now, but already, yeah, let me see. I'm back at break even. Let me see what my competitor is doing. Hey, 80 past them. Nice one, 80. Yeah, but these guys, are good traders. You well, Terence? All good, nice one, Terence. You well, brother? Humphrey, how you, bro? Are you doing well, brother? And I see Auto Medicine. You ask him, hey Butle, what do you mean? What did Butle say? Butle. Okay, I don't see Butle here. Oh, Butle, gold isn't coming back down. Oh, you mean like it's going up? Yeah, like, oh, but okay. One thing that I'm seeing, obviously, here, you see here, after this low here, lower low, lower high, lows, when we came back up, we broke these previous lower highs here. So, yeah, we could see, and then, we could just see from here where it is, straight push upwards. So it's tricky. I think I should just close it, ne? I'm thinking too deep now on gold. I'm honestly thinking too deep because I'm trying to see what I should do now. How many seconds left? 14 seconds. Okay. Okay, let me just wait and see. If it closes above, I'm going out. Out of this trade, yeah. I honestly would have loved to add more positions here, but this is the max that I can add right now. So what I took here is, let's say, the trade that I took is more like, yeah, if it goes up, more like, yeah, and I'm targeting these lows here. I'm targeting these lows, but 1:2 is going to be just at the bottom. So let me just see. Okay, I'm good in profits now. So now I just want to like already even get to a point where I'm locking in profits, right? Okay, let me remove this. I think it's going to confuse us. Because you see here, this one here, now what it done here is it created this, obviously it created this higher high, higher low, high, and you can see here was like a mini push down and this up, and then now we created this lower low, lower high. So now this is another low. So you see, it's either it should just go down. If it's not, that means that if it goes and breaks above here, it's not a valid trade. That's just it, like, you know, can't force it. Already this buy here could have, if maybe I just took this buy up, but this buy was not even going to be beneficial, because if I bought here, imagine I was going to buy you on the 5 minutes, stop loss was going to be way, look at this. So now it'd be running, nobody would have been even a bit below, maybe somewhere here. So now it'd be running at not even 1%. Like, look, it would still be nothing. This would be 1%. Imagine holding this whole move for 1%. It's not worth it. So I'm not sad with this trade, so to speak. I'm not sad that I missed it. I just want to look at this. Gold, what is it? Just 100. What are you doing, you? Oh. Yeah, but I'm not gonna fall for your tricks. That won't sell you there. Doesn't make sense. I make a million a day. Yeah, guys. Okay, let's just see how this gold moves. Bitcoin had a thing set up, don't you trade? Bitcoin receiver. Oh no. Not really. I don't really trade it. I used to love trading it on weekends, but I don't really trade it. I mean, so what do you like? Day trade it? Do you day trade it? Yeah, I'm already in on this gold sells. Yeah, She's now running at like a mini $20 profit, but let's see. So we have this area now. You see here, this area here where we are. So hopefully we break below here. This here. This is where we are right now. So if we can just break below, that would be good. Because already we had broken below these ones here. Already we broke below these. So if we can break below here, it would be amazing, but let's just see. Yeah. Let's go team, let's go team. But this is just how the market is, you can see, bro. Like it's I don't like holding trades like this, bro. I wanted to go straight to take profit or stop loss same time, not now I have to bite my nails or something. Commons Khan, man. Commons Khan. Khan Zay. Nice one, team. Nice one. So you know what I'm gonna do? Bro. Bro, after I'm done here, this is a session, I'm done, bro. So what I wanna do is I'm just gonna lock in max here. How do I? I wanna lock in profits, bro. Like, gosh, this thing, I'm back. Here I am again. Here I am once again on that thing that's giving me issues. How do I lock in profits here, bro? I think I should put a buy stop. Sell limit, no. Buy stop, yes. Buy stop. I already executed with 2, so I'm gonna have to put a 2 contract buy stop. No. Buy stop. I'm not even put it here. No, here makes sense, yeah. Yeah, makes sense, buy stop. So buy stop is more like take profit, I believe, because selling. Let's go. Wow. So I'm just gonna as well just, yeah. Yeah, but it's moving well. Once it takes me, I think I've locked it in here. Yeah. Yeah, because sometimes you see when you're trading the market impulsing like this, if you see big candles, like that candle should be the size of your stop loss. You shouldn't try to hold like very long trades. No, just above here would be safe. Young man, what are you trying to do? Yeah, this one here, obviously this was not the trade that I was like obviously looking for, like the ultimate trade I was looking for, but it's a trade that just presented itself to us. That's why I just took it. But yeah, it's a good trade, obviously, in terms of you can see how it's moving, but it's not what I saw. If you guys saw what I was looking at, this was not even on my plan, right? This was not on my plan. So luckily I also caught it on my funded account on which it was in a drawdown. I think I was negative. Yo, but this account, imagine like my other one account, I was on a heavy drawdown. Like, yo bro, like minus I think $2,000 type of a drawdown. I don't even know. Because I would leave trades when they go close to take profit. I would just leave them. I wouldn't lock profits like how I'm doing now. So ever since I started doing this, I obviously brought back those profits, those negatives. So now it went from a negative big drawdown to like something fair, you know. Like to, I think now it's only negative 800. So now it's running at $300 like on the profit. So if this trade actually just goes and hits take profit, then it will be, this funded account would be on break even. But yeah, like I just locked in maximum profits. I literally locked in profits right here. So let's see you. Is he out? Is he still running? What's going on? Where is the buy order? Stop. Where is he? 4518. Why doesn't it show here, bro? 45188. 4518. Can't I update it? I don't want it. I want it just above here, like here. 4517. 4517. Okay, let me see. 4517. Let me see if I can do that. Modify 4517. 457. This is where I'm gonna go out. What is this? Yeah, that's us, bro. We're modifying. You must know. Let me see how my competitors are. Hey, Willie, man. This guy's taking over. That other guy is gone, bro. I think that one there was like just, oh, where is he? Dios. Here is 1.9. Where is there was another one. AD. Where is AD? Hey, AD is like he was taking chances, right? Hey, bro, these guys are fighting. We're all fighting for $5,000, bro. Okay, but it's not one. There's like many, like up until the 400 or 100%, everyone wins. But I don't think I'm gonna really continue doing this because I don't even know how these guys catch you so quick, bro. Like, what did you have to catch in order of this for this to move like that, bro? Okay, so luckily this one didn't take me out. I'm still running on it. So let's go. I think once I get here at the bottom here where I come from the bottom. Once I get here, it can take out these lows. It can. and then it can come here at the bottom. But let me just see. So far where my stop loss is perfect, because why lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're still good. How far we running here? 150. Imagine, bro, like imagine how these guys are making thousands of dollars if we are already making $150. Like, what moves are those guys catching? Because we started trading at the exact same time. Let's go. Woo, hoo, hoo. We there, bro. Nice one, team. Okay. I think you see here where we are. Price might start pushing upwards because we reached this 1 minute order block, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lock in mix, like lock in max. Yeah, we're going, bro. We are going. Lock in maximum, yeah. Nice one, team. I'm out. 50%. Nice one. I'm out. We out. Nice one. What's going on? No, maybe. Wait, this side I didn't show. Easy. But anyways, I don't think here it even matters because, yeah, how do I even... Okay, close here. I don't think it matters because...
Order filled.
Nice one, team. Let's go. Guys, 2 trades in a row. Both of them went straight to take profit. Guys, no, man. No, bro. Yo, luckily I brought back my Funder account. There was in a major... How much did I close on this account today? On the Funded account, I closed $560. This is on a Funded. And on a Challenge account, the first Nasdaq trade, I closed $1,000. Guys, throw those comments. You see here where it is? It's now on this 1 minute OB, which it could either go back up. Or it could break below the lows and just go crazy. This is gold, bro. I've been trading this for a very long time. I know it. It can break and go crazy. Sharpshooter, yes, bro. Throw those comments, guys. Throw those comments. Yes, so me, I started with this, like, obviously, guys, me, I'm not trying to be too confident or ego, because there'll be days where losses are gonna come. It's just that now we are winning, but there'll be days where losses are gonna come. After a losing streak comes a winning streak. After a winning streak comes a losing streak. You get it? So that's just how it is. But let's go, guys. Throw those comments. Throw them. Let me show you this gold trade here. Throw those comments, brother. Throw them. The wins in the chat. Nice. Another one. You can see him here. Let me show you here in the Telegram group. Another one. Second round, bro. Another one. Second round. Wins in the chat, team. Wins in the chat. Wins, W's, bro. W's, throw those W's. Throw those W's, team. Yes. Let's go. Throw more. Voila, sharpshooter. Let's go, team. Another second one. You can see first trade was Nasdaq, second trade now gold. Yeah, man, you can see how it went. All done live. And on our end, this is how it is, bro. This is how I caught it. Straight here, went down with the chair. First one, same thing. Straight here, went down with the chair. So let's go, team. Let's do this, team. I'm glad the team is here with us. Let's go. So you see this might go crazy. So I'm glad that I took profit there, because if I didn't, obviously it was now going to take me out with like this, but I took profit here. So you see, I'll like it could go down. So the way it is right now, it's very tricky. I wouldn't take a trade at all here, and I'm glad that I'm out. If I wasn't out, I was going to bite my toes and not know what to do and end up making silly mistake, because this year we are at this. You see? So it's either it could respect it and then go up, or it might not respect it, or like, and then like obviously these are equal lows, bro. First low, second low. There's a high chance this thing is gonna break below, but I'm not sure if it's gonna break and come here to this 1 minute order block. Sorry, this one here, and then go up, or if it's gonna break below. But here, I feel like it will break this below here. Sorry. So look, Blaze Boy, because I can see Blaze Boy is asking, do you trade what's it, FVG, fair value gap? No, bro. Like, look, how I trade, it's not like maybe a fair value gap. It's not order block, or it's not. But those things, I use them. Do you understand? So what I mean when I say it's not, I mean in terms of I don't just look for fair value gap. No, in fact, when I trade, I don't even look for fair value gaps. But here, I know it, and I know how what part it played. So here, because of internal structure and because of like I understand how fair value gap works, I was able to spot this out. But the fair value gap was not my trade. Do you get it? So I wouldn't say yes, I trade fair value gap. I wouldn't say no, I don't trade it. I'm aware of it. It's like saying, do you trade support and resistance? I don't really trade support, but I look at support and resistance. You get it? Like, it comes to a point where your strategy is just your strategy. You can't really, I can't just say, yes, I trade fair value gaps, and then you go and learn fair value gaps and think you trade like the way that I do. I know fair value gaps, I know order blocks, I know bad patterns, I know like supply demand, I know, bro, like methods that these people are using, like moving averages, all those things. I know those things, and sometimes I might use it to confirm something, or if I just want more. Like here, I was not seeing a sell at all. Here, I was not seeing a sell at all. In fact, I was thinking a sell would come here. If you guys remember perfectly, I was thinking a sell would come here, but when it went down and then it started pushing upwards, I was like, oh, by the way, there is a fair value gap. That's when I saw it. You get it? I was like, oh, there is a fair value gap here, which means that if price happens to go above the fair value gap, I'm going to close my sell that I already executed here. I'm going to close it. You get it? So now because of this fair value gap, I was able to make that choice. If I didn't know fair value gap, once it done this, I was going to close it with negative, and I was going to miss out on this. But because I knew fair value gap, I knew this is a area. You get it? And I just wanted to see. It could have came here. Price could have came here at this order block, or price could have still went and came here. You know, so I just don't want people to maybe think like maybe we trade. In fact, I created my own. I didn't want to say it to anyone because I know most people are going to be asking me for it and stuff, and I'm still working on it. But I created my own. What is it? Sort of like a young indicator. You see, let me put it on. I'm putting it on for you so you can see. Boom. This is mine. I done it myself. You see, so it gives everything. It shows me everything. I literally done it myself. When I say I done it myself, I don't mean I got a coder to code it for me. I coded it myself. I still even have the history of the codes and everything, and I'm still fixing it right now. But you can see I done this thing here, Forex Chaser System. See, I'm gonna still play around with it. I'm still working on it. But you see, showing swing trend, internal trend, is showing last break zone, are we discount, premium, equilibrium, showing some internal order blocks, how many we have, some swing order blocks, strong high, strong low. And let me put it off so you see. So it also draws these things that I'm doing. You see how the charts look now, ne? If I put it back on, look. Here's it's showing a nice clean entry here for like a nice clean what is it? More like an OB here. And look, this is a fair value gap. Part of this, it has fair value gaps. You see, fair value gap. It has fair value gaps. This is a fair. It's showing me the fair value gap here. I know you might not understand. This is mine. I understand it. I done it. But this is a fair value gap, right here. It's showing me. Here's a bullish fair value gap. It's showing me. Here's a bullish fair value gap. It got tested here. You see, this is the OB, order block on the 1 minute. It drew it out for me. I didn't draw anything. This is another order block. It drew it out for me. I didn't draw anything. This is another order block at the resistance. It drew it out. Here's another order block. Here at the resistance. By the way, this one here, if I remove it, I already had these things, by the way. So for my tool to see the same setups that I saw, obviously that's my strategy. You get it? But I won't say I trade this. No, this is just how I created this tool for my own eyes, my own strategy. But I was like, I'm not going to use it on these sessions, you know, because I normally use it by myself so that I don't take too much time. In fact, I would be lying if I say I use it by myself as if I've been using it for too long. I only started going live with this, like, I think 2 weeks ago because I was still working on it and all that. But because I noticed I always see the same things in the markets every day. And I was just trying to cut out that time so that I can basically be able to not waste too much time looking for where fair value gaps are, where order blocks are, where supply demand is, where are we with price, where's the strong high, where's the strong. I didn't want to waste too much time seeing that. So I gave this algorithm, this AI, my logic, like meaning that how I understand the markets, everything, what it should, and all that. And then I was like, this is how you should see things, which means that how I see everything that I drew here, if I just pull out my indicator right here and I press it, it should show me exactly what I was seeing. Perfect. You see, it's showing like change of characters, like I did say. Even if I go, let me just go on the 5 minutes and show you the exact same thing that I was seeing on the 5 minutes. By the way, I'm pulling it now live with you, so I didn't really look at it at all on today's session. Even yesterday's session, I didn't look at it. But when I'm alone, when I'm just trading by myself, I'm always on it. You know, because I'm always like even fixing it, tweaking it, trying to see if I can better it. Because I just want to remove time for me to analyze more on the markets. You know, I just want to, yeah. But it doesn't trade for me. It doesn't do, no. It's just. So you see already I have, this is the fair value gap. We already tested it. This is the OB. This is the order block here. If I pull it out, there's a high chance it's going to show me those exact same areas, even more, the ones that I didn't even see, or not even see, the ones that I was not even paying attention to. Let me pull it out so we can see. Boom. You see, this one here, back again, this one here, erase here, fair value gap here, 5 minutes is showing. What else? This is showing that it's a weak high. So whenever it's a weak high, it means that it has to come back and break it. Since it's a weak high, and since this is a strong low, that's just what price is. That's like it's strong. There's a high chance it's gonna like hold, or if it doesn't hold, it's gonna like crack below and then push back up because there's a lot of like orders below it. But weak high automatically means that this high here, once we push back upwards, we are not gonna retest it. Like we're gonna just break above it, you know, because it's weak, you know. So that's how I done it, and you can see it shows obviously some change of characters, some break of structures, and it just shows this, and it shows me this is my previous day's low, yesterday's low, and let's see yesterday's high. This is yesterday's high. You see here, this one, this yellow line. I don't know if you guys can see, but this yellow line, yesterday's high. And this is yesterday's low. So already now we are playing below the low. So there's a high chance that we are gonna still maybe see price pushing up or something like that. But yeah, man, it's just something that I've done on myself, and it took me a lot of times. I was angry at like, yo, there were times where I just wanted to quit it, you know, quit doing this because it wasn't. At first, it was doing other things because I don't know how to code. So it was just. Whenever I wanted to show an order block here, it wouldn't show me at the right spot. Whenever I wanted to have like a favorite, it wouldn't show me. Whenever I wanted to bring out supply demand, it would do silly stuff. So yeah, it's been maybe I started doing this like maybe a few years ago, and then I stopped because I felt like I'm not gonna get it right, and then I got back again a couple of years again, and then I stopped again because I tried working with IT people. So whenever I would tell them what to do, whenever they would do it, it wouldn't do how I wanted it to do. So I just felt like maybe I don't know how to say it to them. So I stopped working on it. And luckily now, because of AI, yesterday I told you guys that I've been too deep on AI, like playing around with it and all that. And luckily because of AI, I was able to build it myself. You get it, without the need of an IT, because the AI that I used done the coding for me. I just gave it the logic. You get it? So it's not like I'm a coder. It's not like I'm anything like that. But I was able to build the code using AI, using the logic behind my methods. Let's see how far these guys are. disclaimer. Yes, thank you so much. Bevan, I was worried where you are, bro. Only now you show up. Guys, quick disclaimer here. I've got our brother Bevan here. He's our disclaimer guy. And yeah, I want you guys to be able to know that these sessions are for educational purposes only. Yesterday we did catch a trade. Today we did catch. In fact, I caught a trade yesterday. I also caught 2 trades today. All of them went straight into direction, but this is just for educational purposes. This is literally me right now being in the markets. Nothing. I'm not giving you guys any signals or whatever, because if you win, I'm not gonna benefit. If you lose, I'm not gonna benefit. If you win, I'm not gonna suffer. If you lose, I'm not gonna suffer. So what I'm doing here, it has nothing to do with, you see the crackdown. It has nothing to do with, even if you, I wouldn't want, because I know some people, once they take stop loss, yeah, bro, you made me, like, bro, even if you lose, even if you make 100 million today with a setup that I was looking at, I'm not gonna benefit. Even if you lose 10,000, 10 million, I'm not gonna benefit. You get it? So I just want you guys to remember that no matter what, you know. But I won't lie, today's opportunities, today's trades were amazing. Today's trades were amazing. How far is this? The session is 2 hours. I think we should call it a session right now. Both setups went well. I think this one here we should call it a session. What do you guys think? It was a good day. Okay? I think we should call it a session, team. I had a good day with you guys. I had a good day once again. Profitable day with the team. I'm glad that you guys did show up. Should we do these again tomorrow? Should we? Should we not? Should we call it a day? I mean, should we shut it down? Call it a session. We're shutting it down. We are done. We're done. We've done our sessions. We're done. Let me see how far these guys are. 2.9. Willie. Where is that guy that was? Yo, sometimes when you start first, hey, we're battling here with John Cena. John Cena is coming up. You see John Cena at the bottom. What? John Cena is gone. That guy that was coming up strong, he's no longer on there. He's not even top 10, bro. Imagine he was number 1. Now he's not even top 10. I wonder what happened. What did that guy do? Where is he? Oh, yeah, he is 19. If I just make $3,000, I'll be done. But how would I make $3,000? What are these guys trading? I think these guys are trading these. No, not this one here. No, it can't be. Can be maybe crude oil. But let me not guess it. It's okay. Tomorrow, same place, same times. Same place, same spot. Azisha. Yes. Okay, let's do it, bro. Win, Blaze Boy. Nice one, team. I'm glad that you showed up here. You're one of my top fans. Okay, YouTube is saying it. Put like a crown on you, which it's dope. It looks dope. Win Sesh, shout out Sebers. Nice one, Marcus, bro. Nice one, Marcus. So I think let's do it again once again tomorrow, team. Let's meet up again tomorrow. And yeah, man, I'm glad that you guys did show up on the session. You found value as usual. And yeah, man, do take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Relax, bond with family, things close to that. Obviously, guys, click the link that is below if you guys want access to the public group where normally we just see opportunities and things like that. And if you want to catch trades like how I'm catching them here, everything that I'm showing here is literally, especially on gold, everything that I'm showing here, it's literally on the ebook that I have, right? So because that ebook, I just sat down, because how I came about with it was I was failing prop firms, and then I passed. When I looked at the data, I realized gold was the one that made me pass and not any other thing that I was trading. Okay, so now I had to divert. I put everything aside. I went in on gold, and then I sat down. Then I looked at, because now I was using data from the prop firms, and then I was like, okay, why am I passing? Then I noticed why I'm passing, because I wanted to do it for myself, so that even moving forward when I'm trading other things, I can always, not other things as in other instruments, but other things in terms of futures, whatever. When I'm trading gold though, I could always be able to know Like that's why even I'm only trading New York session. You can see, you understand? And yes, so that ebook basically it's more like that type of a scene. So obviously if you guys want access to it, there should be a link below this video. If you find value from my YouTube, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Danko. Cheers. Take care, bro. Tick. See, you made $10, bro. You reach out with $10. That's nice. $10 richer. That's gangster. So yeah, team. Do have a phenomenal one. Do have a good. For me, it's nighttime right now. It's like what 22 minutes past 10. So I believe your side it should be maybe 5, somewhere around 5. But yeah, man. Take care, team. Do have a good evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. I'm free.